Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. TAI VERDES here in this movie on this channel, Gordon Guitar. So it's a great song here as well. We have the capo here set on the first fret to have the easiest chord possible. And we're gonna look at the chords like we usually do first. So it's 4 different chords, starting with D. So that is open D, second G, third B, and second E. And we have E minor. So that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. G next, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And the next chord will be sort of a F sharp minor chord. What I do here, you always play this right after the G, and you play it pretty fast. So I just turn the bass notes here and keep everything else. So from the G chord here, the 3rd fret E string, I just go over to the 2nd fret E string. You don't need more than that. It's just this pretty much note you want to emphasize here. And I think I'm muting the next string just beneath here. I'm using this index finger and I'm leaning that on top of the A string, so it gets a little bit muted like that. It's not that important, just a quick turn on the bass notes here from 3rd to 2nd to get this F sharp, and then you jump onto this E minor next chord in the chord progression. So that's the F sharp explanation there. G, F sharp, and then E minor. Yeah, so there we have the chords. You can choose to play this in 2 different ways. The first is how you kind of play in the first half of the song, just 1 down per chord. And the chord progression will be D, E minor, and G. That short little chord progression you play for 3 rounds. So that's 1 round. That's the 2nd. That's the 3rd round. And then you're gonna play the G, F sharp, and E minor. And that is what you can call 1 chord progression round. Consists of 4 shorter rounds, you can say. So again, D, E, G, D, E, G. Pause after each G, D, E, G, and then comes G, F, E, and that is 1 round. You play 1 down per chord for a couple of rounds, and then later in the song you can start to do this strumming pattern. So how do we use the strumming? I'm gonna explain how you play this first D, E minor, G, and then you will use the same pattern for the G, F sharp, and E minor. So let's look at the D, E minor, G part. Here you're gonna play for the D, just down and then down. Okay, so 2 downs basically, like this. And then you quickly change to E minor and you play the E minor on the way up. Okay, you just play up and a clap. So that is the E minor part done. So D and E minor goes pretty fast there. So it will be like this slowly. Okay, so D and E minor will be down, down, up, clap. That's it. Okay, so again. And then you quickly change to the next chord, which is the G. So the G will be down, down, up, clap, down, up. So it's down, down, up, clap, down, up. And that will be what you can call 1 strumming pattern round. So down, down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down, up. Down, down, up, clap, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down, down, clap. to apply the same style with the G, F sharp minor, and E minor. So the G will be played in the same way as the D was played, the F sharp in the same way as the E minor, and then the last E minor in the same way as the G. So I'm going to give you one round of this full chord progression round. So let's go. Yeah, I gave it 2 actually, because it's that fun to play. That is what's going on here with TAI VERDES in this movie. So give it a try, guys. Fun song to play. Good luck. Play tuned.